tell you, hell, because that's the way America is. And now, if you're not in America and somewhere else in the world, it's probably still the same way. Because guess what? Ain't too many people here to help you, but they'll tell you what you can and can't do. Imagine that. Nah, you don't qualify for me to help you, but I can tell you what to do. How the fuck does that work out then? But we'll talk about that later.
Without it, leaves lose green pigment and stems can't move sugars efficiently. Phosphorus deficiency, dark curling leaves and discolored stems. Phosphorus fuels root development and energy transfer, so a lack of it can leave your plant weak and stunted. Potassium deficiency, leaf curling, poor bud development, and colorful stems. Potassium controls water regulation and nutrient movement, so when it's low, your plant can't handle stress as well. Calcium deficiency, stunted growth, blossom end rot, and stem discoloration. Calcium is the building block of strong cell walls. Without it, your plant's structure suffers. So when you spot those reds and purples, check your nutrient regimen and pH balance first. But there's more. Pests and diseases can stress your plant and induce anthocyanin production as a distress signal. Spider mites, aphids, fungal infections. All of these disrupt the plant's ability to transport nutrients and water, leading to colorful stems as a side effect. Regular scouting for pests and early intervention can prevent that color flare from becoming a bigger problem. This brings us to integrated pest management, or IPM. Instead of waiting for an infestation, IPM focuses on prevention. Keep your grow area clean, use physical barriers, introduce beneficial insects, and favor organic controls over harsh chemicals. A balanced soil ecosystem, rich in bacteria, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes, helps plants resist pests naturally. Speaking of soil life, let's talk about the soil food web. Beneath your pots or beds lies a bustling network of microscopic organisms breaking down organic matter, cycling nutrients, and even fending off pathogens. Adjust nutrient feed. If it's magnesium, add Epsom salts, phosphorus, or potassium. Tweak your Bloom formula calcium. Use a chelated calcium supplement. Modify environment. Warm up those cool nights or provide extra airflow and humidity control to reduce stress. Introduce beneficials. Apply mycorrhizal fungi, bacillus microbes or nematodes to boost root health and disease resistance. Use silicon. This natural element strengthens cell walls, acting like armor against pests and stress. You can apply silicon via foliar sprays or soil amendments. By addressing the root cause and then supporting your plant's natural defenses, you help it recover and thrive. To wrap up, here are your takeaways. Genetics versus environment. Know your strain's natural tendencies and be aware that cool temps can trigger color, even in green varieties. Nutrient clues. Colorful stems often signal deficiencies: magnesium, phosphorus, potassium, or calcium. Match symptoms to the right fix. Pest and disease alerts. Stress from invaders can also cause color changes. Regular monitoring and IPM keep issues at bay. Soil health matters. A robust soil food web feeds your plants and shields them from problems. Support and strengthen. Use beneficial microbes and silicon to boost immunity and resilience. Next time you see red or purple stems, don't freak out. Treat it like a plant's text message. Read the clues, figure out what it's saying, and send the right reply. Your garden will thank you with healthier, more vibrant plants. That's our concise deep dive on stem coloration. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments. Happy growing, and I'll see you next time.
Let's discuss my payment.
That time is past. No 5,000 for you.
The price is 50.
How about your payment is you get to leave?
Not enough.
Oh, you think you can negotiate with me? I say the word, my nephews go to a certain motel.
Good morning, Coach Sherry. Good to see you. How you doing?
Little granddaughter. What do you think happens then? Consider your position carefully.
I got my money.